Hey guys, it's Ashley from NAT APP Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Misfits Market Box. This is my first box for February. So if you're not familiar with this, it's an ugly produce subscription box. It's delivered weekly or bi-weekly. I get mine bi-weekly, but you can get yours weekly. They do have two different box options. There's the smaller Mischief box, which is $22, and there's what I have, which is the Madness box. It's larger. I have a family of 6, so this is what we need, and it is $35. Now, if you use my coupon code below, you'll get 25% off your first box, and I'll get 25% off my next box. It's a nice little deal there. I do get to customize mine. Actually, everybody gets to customize theirs, so that's great. There is a recipe here: broccoli and cauliflower gratin. Looks not so heart healthy. And then there is some information about their marketplace where you can buy additional items and add them onto your box. I didn't do that this week. This is just what I ordered. Don't really remember what I ordered, but I can see I got scallions, so there's that. Great for garnish, great for omelets, great for tons of stuff. No, my cat is, look at it, she's like trying to lick the scissors. No, that's so dangerous. No. All right. So the two bunches of scallions. Then we have a cucumber. I did choose cucumbers, so there's 2 of these. By the way, it's really important to note that all of the packaging they use is either recyclable, biodegradable, or compostable, or I don't remember. And all of the produce is organic and non-GMO. All right, so my nose itch, sorry. We have a little head of lettuce. Obviously that would be used for salads or for sandwich toppings. This is green beans. I don't often choose these, but I figured, hey, what the heck, right? My mother-in-law makes this amazing green bean salad. She just blanches these, adds some feta cheese, and she does her own vinaigrette with ACV and a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil. And it is, actually, she doesn't use olive oil. She uses actually salad oil like canola, but I prefer that's just me, it's healthier. Anyway, so there's 1 bag of that. By the way, this is what they call a bio bag. These are biodegradable. If you put them in the trash, they just go back to the earth. Au natural, baby. All right, I see a bunch of good stuff. Here's some broccoli. I love broccoli. I love to dip it in, I get chili oil. Oh, so good. It's like my late night good snack. So delicious. So there are 2 crowns here. Very nice. Is that more green beans? So there are 2 bags of green beans. There are like little broccoli dots all over everything. So there's 2 bags of green beans. I love that in the larger box, they tend to double up on stuff so that if you have a larger family, there's enough for a dinner size serving. All right, so this is a box. I don't know what's in it. We're gonna find out. Ooh, it's an heirloom tomato. I selected those, so there's 1 right here. I think, yes, that's just 1 giant tomato in there, which is pretty cool. All right, I see. I'm just gonna start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 green bell peppers. The seeds are loose in there. All right, then we have a spaghetti squash. I think I've said to you guys that this is like my husband's favorite. Like, he loves spaghetti squash, so we get that pretty often. All right, I have some grape tomatoes. Sorry, I'm taking pictures as I do this. 1 pint, and then there is a 2nd pint, but it looks like it came open and they're kind of everywhere. That's fine, I forgive that. I'm not mad about that. Just kind of hard doing it with 1 hand. So there's also a head of green cabbage. Yummy, perfect for sauerkraut, perfect for, I love cabbage salad. I do not like cooked cabbage. It's one of my only things, so I usually have it raw. All right, I'm just gonna toss these guys back in here. So there are 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. I love something, I'm not a big tomato person, but I love cooking these over heat and like popping them and eating them like that. They're so good. So yummy. I love it. All right. Moving along, there's some mangoes. Everybody in my house loves mangoes, and I think these are Kent mangoes, if I remember correctly. Peru mangoes. So there's 1 and 2. those are not ripe yet. Those need to sit for a while. We also have an eggplant. This is not quite enough to make eggplant parm, but it is beautiful. Look at that. But we'll probably buy another one and make it with that. We have an acorn squash, which you guys might know is my absolute favorite of all the squashes. It's so nutty. We just roast it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic, and it is just phenomenal. It's just so good. I just love it. Finally, we have 4 potatoes. I think I picked golden, like yellow potatoes. I don't remember. So there are 4 of these. So for my $35 spend, I got 4 potatoes, spaghetti squash, 2 pints of cherry tomatoes, 4 green bell peppers, 2 bags of green beans, 2 heads of broccoli, an eggplant, a heirloom tomato, a head of cabbage, 2 bunches of scallions, 2 cukes, 2 mangoes, and an acorn squash. So if you're interested in checking out Misfits Market, I will link to them down below. I will also link to my full review where we will go in depth and all that good stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.